Hello friends, assalamu alaikum and welcome to my new video. Friends, what I am going to tell in this video is very much interesting because in this video I am going to tell you strange planets in our universe. So friends, let's get start our video without any delay. Our first one is Het P7b. Is larger than Jupiter and an orbital plane tilted 108 degree relative to its host star, meaning it's almost in a polar orbit. It orbits the star so close that a year on this world is less than 3 days. In fact, it's over 20 times closer to the sun than Earth is to sun. During daytime on Het P7b, temperature reach over 2200 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than many stars. Accordingly, the exoplanet is of a kind known as an ultra hot Jupiter, but it's also one of the darkest known world, about as dark as charcoal, absorbing over 27 of visible light that shines onto it. Next one is Kelt 9b. Ultra hot Jupiter type exoplanet Kelt 9b is so scorching that it's even hotter than many stars. It orbits so close to its sun that its surface sizzles at 4300 degrees Celsius. So hot that it has atomic iron and titanium in its atmosphere, and a year lasts less than a day and a half. Using data from a Spitzer space telescope, researchers have found that the extreme temperature on the planet desired cause molecules of hydrogen gas to tear apart, only to recombine when they flow to the relatively cooler eternal night side before being torn apart once more when they move back into the furnace. And the next planet is TRES 2b. In 2011, identified by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope. It's the darkest known exoplanet, reflecting less than 1% of any light that hits it. TRES 2b orbits a star some 750 light-year away in the direction of the constellation Draco and is the darkest planet or moon ever discovered. Harvard Smithsonian Center for Physics, a lead author David Kipping said that it's darker than a blackish lump of coal, than dark acrylic paint you might paint with. It just ridiculous how dark this planet is. And the next story is 55 Cancri E, a diamond planet. This exoplanet is orbit around Sun like host star 55 Cancri E, maybe a real gem, the first super Earth discovered around a main sequence star. It was thought to be so abundant in the carbon that, thanks to immense pressure and 2700 degree Celsius temperature, its interior was made of diamond. Most recent research has taken the shine of the diamond theory, revealing less carbon than previously thought. But the nature of 55 Cancri E remain enigmatic and hotly contested. And the next one is HD 189 77 3b. This nightmare world is only 64 light year away and the closest hot Jupiter to Earth. It may look like a gorgeous deep blue marble floating serenely in space. But if you had the misfortune to visit this massive giant gas, you would soon regret it, as well as being spun furiously by wind blowing at 8700 km per hour. You would be cut to shreds by glass rain. The planet's delightful blue color is the reflection of silicate in its atmosphere. Silicate that, when heated by the planet deadly 1300 degrees Celsius temperature form grain of glass. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. Comment us your strange planet in our universe. We'll meet in the next video. For that, take care.